Hello everyone, and welcome back to Easy Solutions. Is your refrigerator water dispenser not working? You press the lever or button, but nothing comes out. No water, no flow, just frustration. Before you spend money on a service technician or think about replacing parts, there are several simple things you can check yourself. In many cases, the problem is minor and can be fixed in just a few minutes using basic tools, or no tools at all. In this video, I'll walk you through the first two common causes of a refrigerator water dispenser not working. These are the issues that homeowners encounter most often, and they are usually the easiest to fix. Make sure to watch until the end, because the solution might be much simpler than you think. Now, let's get started. How does a refrigerator water dispenser work? Before we start troubleshooting, it's helpful to understand how the water dispenser works. When you press the dispenser lever or button, a small switch sends power to the refrigerator's water inlet valve. The valve opens and allows water to flow through the water filter into the internal water line, and finally out through the dispenser nozzle. If any part of the system is blocked, frozen, disconnected, or faulty, the water dispenser may stop working completely. Understanding this simple process makes it much easier to identify where the problem might be. Now let's check the first thing. Fix number 1, check the water supply. The first and easiest thing to inspect is the water supply going to your refrigerator. Many people assume something inside the refrigerator is broken, but sometimes the issue is simply that water isn't reaching the appliance. Pull the refrigerator away from the wall carefully. Locate the water supply line connected to the back of the refrigerator. Make sure the water shutoff valve is fully open. Sometimes the valve gets partially closed after moving the refrigerator, during cleaning, or after plumbing work. Next, inspect the water line itself. Look for bends, kinks, or crushed sections that could restrict water flow. If the line is pinched behind the refrigerator, straighten it carefully. Also check for leaks around the connection. If the water line is damaged, replacing it is usually inexpensive and can restore normal operation. If your home recently had a water outage or plumbing repair, air may be trapped inside the water line. Hold the dispenser lever for 2 or 3 minutes, using short intervals if necessary, to allow trapped air to escape. Once the air is removed, the water should begin flowing normally again. If water still doesn't come out, don't worry. Let's move on to the next common cause. 2. Replace or check the water filter. The water filter is one of the most common reasons a refrigerator water dispenser stops working. Most refrigerator manufacturers recommend replacing the filter every 6 months. Over time, the filter collects dirt, sediment, minerals, and other impurities from your water supply. As it becomes clogged, water flow slows down and may eventually stop completely. Locate the filter inside your refrigerator. Depending on the model, it may be inside the upper compartment near the bottom grill or inside the fresh food section. Remove the filter according to the manufacturer's instructions. Inspect it for visible dirt or damage. If it has been installed for more than 6 months, it's a good idea to replace it with a new compatible filter. After installing the new filter, many refrigerators require you to flush several gallons of water through the dispenser. This removes trapped air and carbon particles from a new filter. Don't be surprised if the first few glasses of water look cloudy. That's completely normal and usually clears after a short time. If your refrigerator has a filter reset button, press and hold it for a few seconds to reset the filter indicator light. A clean filter not only improves water flow, but also helps ensure your drinking water tastes fresh and clean. So far, we've covered the 2 easiest things to check. Make sure your refrigerator has a proper water supply. Replace or inspect the water filter if it's old or clogged. These simple steps solve the problem for many homeowners. However, if your refrigerator water dispenser is still not working, don't worry. In part 2, we'll cover more advanced causes, including a frozen water line, a faulty dispenser switch, and a bad water inlet valve. I'll also share a few professional maintenance tips to help prevent this issue in the future. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy appliance repair guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in part 2.